everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox you must reset password without email and phone number. As you can see here we have this problem here. So all you have to do is just to go to Google, go here for Roblox support, type Roblox support and then choose the first website. As you can see here, they gave us a form that we should complete. You type your username, let's say SSS, for example, type your username, type your first name, and then the email address that you want them to address your account, and make sure it's your email address and you have access to it. Then confirm it's your email address. Let's copy, paste, put your device type, help category. I choose forgot password. I want to delete. Wait. Account had or login. Forgot password. And then here, just type, describe what is your problem. Say, forgot password and I don't have access to it anymore. You can see here. Then click continue and wait for Roblox to contact you and send you an email saying that this email account have your account. And then all you have to do is just go here to login and then click on forgot password or username, type the email that they gave you, and you will have it here. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.